Hey, welcome to my channel. I am Javemi Sarah, and today I'll be teaching you how to animate AI images for free. And guess what? This app or this website I'll be showing you, you can use it to generate as many as possible. As many as possible. Let's go, guys. So what you do is come to your Chrome browser. You open your Chrome browser. You type in metaai.com. Not this first one. You don't open this first one. You scroll down to this one. This one that has an infinity logo. This one that has an infinity logo. ai.meta.com. That's the one we'll be using for today's tutorial. So you click on it. Wait for it to open. Click on it. And then you scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Now this is where you click on Ask Meta AI anything. This is where you click on Ask Meta AI anything. Ask Meta AI anything. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, here it is. Now scroll down. You'll still see a space where they say Ask Meta AI anything. Click on it and then you paste your prompt. Paste your prompt. Now this is the prompt I'll be using. I'll read it out so that you can have it as well. So I would say, okay, let's use Nigerian belly dancer. Let's do that. A Nigerian, I know it's not common in Nigeria, but let's use something, African. A Nigerian belly dancer walking on the way, and an Arabian young man trying to talk to her in front of, let's say, in front of a marketplace in Africa. Yeah, in front of a marketplace in Africa. A marketplace at sunset. She wears an elegant belly dance costume featuring intricate blue embroidery. Sorry. Let's use, should we use white or blue or black? Let's use, okay, blue is fine. Blue embroidery, flowing fabric, and shimmery embellishments paired with a traditional headpiece. Behind her, a man also dressed in a matching Arabian, should we use Arabian attire? Okay, let's use Arabian attire. Dance costume, follow her lead, mirroring her graceful movement. Both of them walk with confidence, expressions showcasing their poise and elegance. The marketplace glowing orange sky provides it. Well, this is what I use. So let's this is the prompt I'm going to use. Let's see what it gives us. Let's hold on for Meta AI to do its beautiful job. Guys, this will shock you because I've used it before and it was amazing. It gave me amazing images. Guys, see what I'm saying? Oh my god. Oh my god. How do you like this, guys? This is beautiful. See what I'm saying? So we're going to tap here. We're going to, download it. It's downloading. It's downloading. We're going to tap on it and download it. It will show download again, but don't worry, keep downloading. You keep downloading again, it doesn't matter. Okay, download again. It doesn't matter, download it again. So yeah, I think we've downloaded this one before. Download, you long press on it and then you download. Sorry, I'm downloading again. I just wanted to be sure I downloaded everything, because it's going to animate and you're not going to have the image anymore. So now guys, look up by the middle, you'll see edit and you'll see animate. Click on animate. Click on animate, and then we'll wait for AI to do its beautiful job. Oh my god. How do you guys love this? Don't forget to subscribe, follow for more. Okay, subscribe, comment, share, let your friends and family get to see what Meta is doing. And for all of you that has a YouTube channel where you post folktale stories, this is a very good one for you. This is a very good one for you. So this is what Meta AI gave us. We're still waiting. I think the network is a bit fluctuating right now. So yes, let's wait and see. So guys, this is what Meta AI gave us. I'm still waiting for it to. Let's animate it again, because I don't know what the network is doing right now. Let's hold on for network. So guys, this is it. This is it. It's network. It's network. Just allow it settle for a while and you will see the images moving. You'll see the images moving. Okay. So that's basically how I animate images using Meta AI on Chrome. I don't know why this isn't moving. Well, we're gonna keep trying until it works, so that you see for yourself what I'm saying. So now let's just try it this way. Yeah, let's try it this way. Click on animate. Under the images, you'll see edit, you'll see animate. Click on animate. Let's try it all together once and for all. It will work like this. It will. Yeah. Meta AI is doing its job. Guys, see what I'm saying? It's moving. It's moving. That's how you animate images, AI images. So I'm just gonna download video. How you download these videos, you long press and it will bring up download video. You click on download video, long press, click on download video, long press, click on download video. Make sure you download the images and before you animate, because you might need the images later for another story, or I don't know, something else, because once it's animated you cannot get the images again. So this is animated now, and yeah, voila, can you see it's moving? It's network that is making it stuck. It's moving. So I think it's 3 to 4 seconds long. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know. Let me know under my under the comment section.